Both the iPhone XS Max and new Samsung Galaxy S10 are incredibly powerful phones, so powerful that they've surpassed what even the best games and apps available on either app store can take advantage of. So is there really a point to run speed test comparisons anymore? Who cares? Let's do it anyway. We're gonna throw some benchmarks in at the end, but we're gonna focus on tests that you'll notice in real life, unlike the unrealistic RAM management tests we see all over YouTube. Let's start with which phone can boot up quicker. The iPhone hits the lock screen only slightly quicker than the Samsung, but after unlocking them, we saw that the S10 was still booting, which is surprising. Next, let's see which one loads and plays a YouTube video first. The S10 started playing considerably quicker, and this is actually something you'll notice in day-to-day use. We tested this multiple times and the S10 was quicker basically every single time. Next up, let's load some of the most common apps people use, like Instagram. Again, the S10 finished quite a bit sooner. Now with Facebook, we see the same result once again. So far, we're really impressed with the speed of the S10. Snapchat is used pretty often, so let's test that. And there you have it. There's the nail in the coffin. The Samsung is consistently loading apps quicker than the XS Max. Now let's test Lte Speed, both using T-Mobile's unlimited LTE network in our office. Google's internet speed test shows the S10 to be slightly faster. So let's see what Tle Speed test shows. Surprisingly, the XS Max got around 10 megabits per second faster in this test, so we reran the test and found that the S10 was now faster, so we're not sure how accurate this app really is. Next up, let's download some games and see which one finishes faster. Starting with Fruit Ninja, the S10 seems to be pending for quite a while before it actually starts downloading. Due to this, the XS Max finishes quite a bit sooner. Now downloading Toon Blast, the S10 is doing the same thing again, and it ends up taking quite a while longer to download and install. Now let's see which phone loads web pages quicker. In the first run, the S10 was a good amount quicker to load. This is something you'll experience every day, so we're pretty impressed. Surprisingly, on the second run, the XS Max loaded the images quicker, even though it seemed to start loading a bit later. Loading Apple.com is quicker on the S10, same with loading the iPhone XR product page, and the XS product page as well. Overall, the S10 loads web pages noticeably quicker. Now let's see which phone loads games faster, starting with everyone's favorite, Fortnite. Surprisingly, the iPhone XS Max finished 16 seconds sooner than the S10, which will easily make a difference for gamers. Let's try some smaller games, like Clash Royale. Both phones loaded this one at basically the exact same time. Now in Clash of Clans, the S10 finished quicker, but not much at all, so you won't really notice a difference in the real world. We also decided to test camera shutter lag, and there's a considerable amount of lag while using the S10, which is pretty unfortunate since the XS Max snaps a photo instantly. This may be a big deal for some, and that's definitely me. Now let's finish off with some benchmarks, starting with Geekbench 4. There's not much of a difference in raw multi-core power, but a great difference in single core. Considering that the XS Max has half the RAM, it's pretty impressive. In the popular Antutu graphics benchmark, the S10 actually beats the XS Max by about 25,000 points, which is really impressive. In Antutu's HTML5 test, the XS Max beats out the S10, but it doesn't match the results we saw earlier in browser speed. Finally, in GFX Bench's famous 1080p Manhattan off-screen test, the iPhone scored around 119 FPS compared to 102 on the S10, which are both great scores. Overall, we're really impressed with the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. It scored very high in benchmarks and it seems to load apps that we use in everyday life just a little bit quicker than the iPhone. In some cases, the XS Max was quicker, like loading Fortnite, but that's about it. Either way, both phones are incredibly quick and it'll be hard to notice a difference in real life. But from our testing, the S10 is definitely the winner here. We're gonna be testing more things like the cameras, battery life, and gaming performance in Fortnite, so if you're not already subscribed, click that button above to sub now. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.